Hey guys, what's up? Wolf and Bird here. This is my bird Gonzo. You've seen him in the video Bird versus Socks. Yeah, that's him. Um, but here's an important news update for our I wouldn't call it channel, but our account. My account, I should say. But he's in it too sometimes. He's gonna be in it. Anyways, let me get to the point. I will be making... What? Hi. He said hi. I will be making a lot of video game, videos. It's gonna be me playing video games. Sometimes I'm gonna be playing them with my nephew, and sometimes I'm gonna be playing them by myself. My nephew, he comes over, every once in a while, and we play games. So yeah. Plus I'm uploading my past videos so I could get them off my memory, because I don't have very much minutes to record left. I've only got like so many minutes, but if I delete some, I'll get all those recording minutes back. So yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna start uploading my past videos, so I guess I'll see you guys soon. Peace. Say bye, Gonzo. Say bye. Bye-bye. That's it. Oh, you want to press the button? Press the button. See that? That button? Go press it. No? He says bye. Wolf and Bird signing out.